How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To fool around. Dylan is in class. His teacher notices that he's not paying attention. Dylan, I've noticed you've been distracted today. What's going on? Nothing. I was just asking Jeff about the activity. Are you sure you were asking him about the activity, or were you talking about winter break with him? Which one? Just the activity, sir. I'm going to concentrate now. I know we just got back from winter break, but that was then, and this is now. We have to study hard. This isn't the time to fool around. You're right, sir. Quiz time! What does to fool around mean? To talk to friends? To not be serious? To ignore someone? To study hard? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. To not be serious. Phrasal verb secrets. In English, a fool is a person who doesn't act serious. They're a bit stupid, easy to be taken advantage of, and often get into trouble. A fool always wants to have fun, but often has many problems. The around part of this verb refers to a circular motion, or in a more abstract way, in every place. If you're a fool in every place, you're not being serious, having too much fun, and probably creating more problems for yourself. This verb often applies to students who can't be serious. We don't call these students stupid, not in that sense, but in a sense of playing and not learning. We can replace fool around with mess around and play around, which mean almost the same or very similar things. There are other versions too, more colloquial, with their own flavor. Examples. The students were reminded not to fool around during the science experiment. He was messing around in the library instead of doing his research. There's a time for fun, but don't horse around when you're supposed to be studying. She had to stop playing around and start preparing for her exams. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, consider joining the channel and becoming an English fan or English explorer. Remember, quiz questions are in the community section. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.